Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and this video I'm going to show you my new Himalayan salt lamp. Well, I am saying new because this is my old one and I need to change the lamp, but I just got this in mail and I'm very excited. I think it's going to look really great on this particular table in my house. So we are in my bedroom right now, and I love using Himalayan salt lamp for various reasons. As far as the health benefits, it has, you can watch my video where I talk about it in details. I really try to cover like every possible health benefit out there which Himalayan salt has. And not to mention I love it because of, you know, the way it looks. It is a lamp indeed, but what I like also is that it doesn't have a very bright light. It's rather dim, very romantic by the way. And this is the bedroom where I sleep with my baby. We are co-sleeping, and I find that having this lamp on really helps him, you know, to smoothly go to sleep or have that transition, you know, from the day to night time, and he loves it as well. Besides, he feels that we have to turn it on, and when we do all this kind of routine, I also have a diffuser here with the oils. He knows it's a bedtime already, so that's maybe part of our bedtime routine. So now back to the lamp. This is, I definitely should mention, it's the HN Corp Himalayan salt lamp. They have other products, and this is a very trustful company, because what you should be aware of is that every time you buy a Himalayan salt lamp, there are many that are fake. You know, it doesn't have to be like, I received once an email saying, what should I do? It's really hot. It shouldn't be hot. It should give you a little bit of light, and you could actually, I don't know about this lamp, but this lamp has, I can monitor it, you know, make it a little lighter. So I will just need to take it out. Just give me a second. All right, so I took it out because it's very heavy. It has to be heavy, by the way. It has a lamp here, which is great, and we don't really need the lamp. It actually says here everything you need to do, like the description and, you know, the purest salt on earth. And by the way, it's 250 million years old, the Himalayan salt. How cool is that? Yeah, that's what the word I was looking for. It has a soothing glow. And that's very important. Has natural electromagnetic waves and other things. Handcrafted is also great. So here I have, they have different shapes here. So on their website. So I am going with the round one. I actually have another one too, but this is the round. So they package it very well, which is important. You don't want to get a broken item. See? Look at this. It's a nice, beautiful lamp, and you could say it's a handcrafted job, right? Wow. Look at this. It's like a magic ball right here. Actually, you can feel the salt residue on your hands. And all we need to do right now is turn it on. You guys ready? So here it is. Let me just get the cord. Wow. It's not really nighttime outside, but see? Isn't it great? I like it. I really love it. So guys, it's dark outside, and this is the way the lamp looks like at night. So don't mind my oils and sprays I use for nighttime. So as you see, I put the towel here because this summer was so humid and all my lamps were just sweating so much. And as I was saying, there's just like an adjuster here which can help you to make the different light on the lamps. I usually use it on maximum while we're not sleeping, and then maybe when I put the baby to sleep I use it like in the medium setting, and then obviously I turn it off. So as you see, it's very beautiful. You could see like different salt paths in here. I don't know if I call them the right way, but I mean, it's just, it looks so natural. I would even say so magical, this shape of the Himalayan salt lamp. So I hope you guys like it. Just please share your experience with the lamps. I really love it as
a decoration in the house, of course, but I also do believe in the health benefits of the lamps, and if you could just combine both, I think it's a great idea to do so. Just always make sure you get a good quality lamp, like not a fake one, and this way I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Put a thumbs up if you like this video in the dark room right now, and I will be very happy to see you later.